Get ready to secure your home with Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery. In this video, we'll show you how to install it step by step so you can start monitoring your space with ease. Start by fully charging your Nest Cam using the provided USB cable. Download the Google Home app on your phone and add the device to your account by following the in-app prompts. Choose the ideal location near your Wi-Fi network for a strong and stable connection. Use the included mounting plate and screws to securely attach the camera to a wall, ceiling, or any flat surface. If you prefer, you can use the magnetic mount for easy repositioning. Make sure the camera has a clear, unobstructed view of the area you want to monitor. Snap the camera onto the mount and adjust its angle for the best coverage. Test the live feed in the Google Home app to confirm the view and Wi-Fi signal strength. Finally, enable notifications and customize your settings for activity zones, motion detection, and video recording. That's all it takes to install your Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one.